BWOne here from BWOne.com, and Xbox just released an update that allows you to use USB flash drives on your Xbox 360, and we're going to do a quick walkthrough on how all that works. So the first thing you need to do, obviously, is get yourself a flash drive, which we have right here. We have a SanDisk Cruiser Micro 4GB flash drive that we're going to use here for this. We're going to plug it into the front USB port here. Now the flash drive has to be at least 1 GB. So obviously for 4 GB we have plenty of space. Plug that right here into the front of our Xbox 360. Flip it up here. Now I normally don't keep my 360 on top of a bookshelf like this, but I wanted you to at least get it in the video there. Don't worry, don't do that normally. Alright, we have it plugged in there. Once you have that plugged in, I'm going to just zoom in here a little bit. Once you have that plugged in, we're going to go to our My Xbox section. We're going to go all the way to the last tab here where it says System Settings. We're going to select that. Then we're going to go down to Select Memory. And you'll see right here it shows all 2 devices, and you'll see USB storage device is one of the options. So now you have it plugged in. It does recognize, so now we have to set it up. So when you go into the options for setting up, if you hit Configure Now, it's going to first test to make sure that it meets Xbox 360 performances for the flash drive. If it doesn't, it won't format it and it won't set it up for it. But if it does, if you hit Configure Now, it's going to format the entire drive to work with the Xbox 360, which means you lose any data that's on there. So if you have anything on it that you need to save, you need to make sure you save it someplace else because it'll format the whole entire thing. And if you want to use the whole entire drive, you hit Configure Now. If you hit Customize, you can actually choose how much of the space you actually want to use for it, and you can just use a slider right here. But the same rules apply. Once you've chosen, okay, let's say we want to use 2 GB. It's going to flash the whole thing, then reserve 2 GB of space for the Xbox 360. Then the other 2 GB can obviously be used on whatever you want to use for, your flash drive on your computer and stuff like that. So, but the same rules apply, so you want to make sure that you have everything wiped off on it. In this case, we're going to hit Configure Now. Just going to wipe the whole thing, set the whole thing up for the Xbox 360. It'll warn you one more time that it's going to erase all the content and format it for the 360 storage. Click Yes. It'll do a quick test first. And there you go, your device is ready and it meets standards, and now it's formatted for Xbox 360. You see it come back, we have 3.3 GB free for storage. Now let's transfer some content from our hard drive on Xbox 360 to the memory unit. So what you have to do is you have to go into your hard drive. We want to go into that, and we want to click on the yellow button for transfer content. And it's going to say select the destination device. We're obviously going to use a memory unit here. And then by default, for some reason, Xbox picks everything on your drive to transfer over. So what you need to do is you need to actually go to each section, hit the X button to unselect everything. Just like that. And that should take care of that. So this is everything that's on your 360. So let's say we want to transfer over some pictures. So we want to take it over to our friend's house, show some pictures that we got of a game or something like that. So go into the gamer pictures section and we'll just choose, maybe Codemasters, a few little things here. Select what you want, and select those things, and we'll hit the back button here. And let's say now we want to transfer it over to the memory unit. So it's going to transfer off of your 360 on to your memory unit here. So it's going to transfer it off. It isn't going to be like copying it over. It's actually going to not physically, but digitally transfer it off. It's going to be off your Xbox 360 and onto your memory unit. So when you click Start, it's going to move the stuff over. And once it's done that, you see it did it real quickly because it's only small little picture files. It's all set to go. But you want to make sure that, like, if you transfer anything like a game or a demo or anything like that, like anything that matter, you might need to transfer your license. So you want to go over to xbox.com/DRM, check that out. It'll explain everything that you have to do there. Once you're done that, you click Continue. And let's go back to the hard drive to show you. On the picture side of things, you see now I went from 47 pictures to 39 pictures. So it did transfer off of our hard drive onto the memory unit, and now we'll go back and we'll go check out what's on the memory unit here, and we'll see that you have 480 kilobytes of gamer pictures, and the pictures are right there as you can see. So that's it. It's pretty simple there. You can transfer your content just as easy as that. So you can use up to, I think, 16 GB flash drives as it says, And, you can transfer your game saves, your profiles, demos, videos, anything that you want. Treats it just like a regular hard drive. So you can transfer all your stuff off and, take it to your friend's house, take it to, another 360, whatever you want to do with it. So that's pretty much simple right there. So grab yourself a flash drive and make sure you use that. It'd be pretty cool. It's a nice little extra added feature there. So this is BWOne here from BWOne.com, showing you how the new USB flash drive storage support works on the Xbox 360, reminding you to follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/BWOne.com. Subscribe to our YouTube page. Just click the subscribe button. I think it's now on the new YouTube layout at the top. It's a little white button at the top. Just click subscribe. And follow us on our RSS feeds at BWOne.com. Get the latest tech and news, reviews, gaming, entertainment, all that fun stuff, all the stuff that we love here. And always remember to live your tech worlds in high definition.